So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to buy stock. It is time for us to start investing, buying stock, and having a retirement plan. I know I'm far away from retirement, but it's always been in the back of my mind about it, especially now that Social Security is running out. Like, what are we gonna do? You know what I mean? Like, I like to have plans. I want to know exactly what to do if anything happens, and I want to teach you guys as well. It's time for us. It is time for us to start to invest, and mind you, this is tax free. So the first step is to open a brokerage account. The options I suggest you guys to get is Vanguard or Fidelity. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Those are two that I suggest to open. I opened ROBINHOod. I do regret it. Well, actually I don't regret it because it was a learning experience, and I started that account when it was the beginning of the pandemic. I don't know if you guys were on social media, well, because I follow a lot of people about stocks and who talks about stocks and retirement. And around this time, an investor, he was on live and he told everyone his tricks. I don't think he knew he was about to go viral. He told some people how him and his friends makes $1 million off the stock market. That video went viral, and literally everyone did what he did, and basically that it's a lot. I don't know if you guys remember that, but it was a lot. I was happy about that because that's when I started investing and I learned so much stuff. I just got ROBINHOod on just because of that, and they come to find out it's a lot going on with them. They end your they will cut off your stocks. There's a lot of stuff that they were doing, and I feel like it's supposed to be a lawsuit going on, a class action. I'm putting my name on it, but anyway. So those are two my little rant. Those are two that I suggest that you open, and it's very simple. Just create your account, put out your information. Okay, so you create your account, you add your money, and that is a big step, adding your money. But we're not done. You have to start investing. You also start a Roth IRA, which is a retirement plan. Now, I am very frugal. So I will invest $50 a month. I feel like it's good, and it's in my budget. $50, like, why not? So you can start with $5. You can even start with $5 as well if you don't want to risk a lot. All right, this is really irritating me. Hold on. All right, it's not working. We have to take off the tripod because that was a bad idea. How about right now? Okay, I had to take the tripod off because it was not working. So we're gonna do it this way. So once you add your money, like I said, you can invest $5 if you want, 55 or 100. That's the safe part for me. You guys know I'm very frugal, like I said. So once you do that, now you start to find your stocks. Start a Roth IRA. I feel like you should do that first. Roth IRA, which is the retirement plan. I suggest you start that first. And mind you, you can also pull from it as well, so your money is not going to be stuck there. So for buying stocks, you have to search in the search box a ticker, and basically those are the stocks you can invest in. And like I said, it tells you how much you can put into one or whatever you want. When I first started, I'm gonna be honest, I was just blindly picking random tickers and just adding money. I'm like, let's just see what happens. I don't know if that's a good idea, but if you're starting off, it's not a problem. You know what I mean? It's a learning experience. You have to learn. I also learned that you can go into the low cost index funds as well. You know what I mean? Just, you know, do your research and then pick which one. So that is basically it. That is how you can buy stock in a Roth IRA. I hope my tips were helpful. I know it's straight to the point. Like I said, I don't play any games when I do my tutorials. And also they have an app. So once you create your account, you can have an app, and you can always just watch the stock market. With me, I just like to add money, and I like to forget about it. That's what I do. I know it's not probably the best way, but that's what has been working so far for me. Eventually, I will start really diving into these stocks. So that's it. I hope you guys do open an account. It's a savings plan. That's how I use mine for, as a savings plan, a backup plan, just in case. So that's it.